What are we doing today, guys?
Skydiving!
Woo! Jumping out of airplanes, huh? Whose idea was this? It's this guy's fault. Are we celebrating anything?
No.
No, just checking this off the list.
Bucket list, yeah.
All right, we're gonna have some fun today.
Let's go.
Any last words, final comments, confessions before we go?
Mom, Dad, I love you. Get over with.
For me, it's always the same. Computer, tablet, phone, burn all of it, bury it in the desert. The wife can have everything else. Let's go rock a skydive, have some fun. High five all the way across.
Go.
Guys. Here we go. Woo! All right. Ah! Woo! Ready for this? Yes. Let's get in this airplane. Let's get up and let's get out of here. High fives. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Back around. Here we go. Woo!
Down together to slow down. Feel it slow down? Yeah. All right, you got a good grip, right? You're flying! It's all right, it's all right. Right hand, close that muscle. There you go. All right. Nice. Woo-hoo! Like that free fall, huh? That was so good. You did so good. Thank you so much for jumping with us and Skydive Colorado Springs. Woo!